My name is Kishan Lekharia. I am a mechanical engineer. I hold a master's degree in mechanical engineering. I am working in Caterpillar since past 2 years. In Caterpillar, I am working on electric powertrain analysis, and that's how my interest has increased in understanding the motor part. So from course learning perspective, it is a very good course. I would say the person who has not touched and feel the motor and the controller part, I will highly recommend that people attend this course, because you will able to play with the current and voltage, and how we can, with the input, we can get the desired output. We can understand with the different control strategies that we use here for the motors, and also we can play with the different motor technology. It's everything is hands-on. You can actually do the control strategy and apply it on the motors. So as a working professional, from my perspective, I will say I am working on entire powertrain, but since I said motor is a new engine, and understanding the physics of the motor, how we can control the motor and how we can get the best out of the motor, we need to understand those aspects also, and this course will help us to experiment on the motor in the practical way, and then we can apply all those learnings in our actual job area also, and that's how we can apply this knowledge. Yes, so earlier I did the theory course by Professor Ankarnan, and I'm right now doing the practical course by Professor Vasa. I can actually correlate what all learnings that I did in theory part with the practical part. I'm tuning the current and voltage, and with what relation it should change the speed of the motor and output of the vehicle, that I can do. So there is a very good correlation between the theory and the practical, and we have all the freedom to play with the control and motor part. That's the best part. So I would rate like 10 out of 10 because professor is also very helpful. All the technicians are also very helpful. We can touch and feel each and every part, and we can learn a lot. I would like to spend more time here so that I can learn a lot during the experiment session.
I am Abhi, working as an engineering specialist in Caterpillar. I have close to 18 years of experience, and currently I am working in that electrification division of e-powertrain. Took the course, first the theory course on motors and controllers by Professor Ankarnan from CODE, and it was going very well. Was able to understand the pieces of the motors and inverters, and what is the working principle, how it works, how can I utilize these motors to my current application which I am working. I felt really good. Yeah, so this lab course is focused in a company. There will be specific vehicles. So the lab course is actually supporting you to do that in a more impactful and effective way. So in an actual world, in an actual motors, you may not be able to do so much control because all the controllers are limited. You can't do a programming of a controller, or here you can manually control all the parameters of a motor. So you will be seeing the impact of it. So now whenever you write a program for an electric vehicle, you know the impact of each parameters, and you are actually visualize it, what is impact of that. Now you can use that as a program to run a system and make your learning out here, put that into your actual vehicle applications. Yeah, of course. Yeah, so this is one among the place where, like, theory is one part of a puzzle, but most of the times what you learn from the theory, until unless you don't do practically, you'll keep on forgetting it. So this is the missing place. Once you do anything hands-on, then there is a place where you will be learning it more and more. So here you will be doing by experiments, and you will be seeing the outcomes which is going to impact or is going to help us. Yeah, lab course is very good. Being from an industry, coming to a lab is a actually new experience at this point of time, because a lot of places electric vehicle technology is entirely new. It is not some companies it is fully matured and advanced, some companies not so much. So this lab course is the one which will bridge the gap between the actual theoretical course and the product. So this will help in making the products more successful, in the sense like you can apply all the same knowledge.
Myself Arun Kannan, I am working at Renault Nissan for powertrain thermal management simulations. Basically what we do is we do simulation part. Okay, simulation part in virtual environments. In virtual environments, we don't know the actual physical thing which is going wrong, which is going right, because everything is based on the mathematical modeling. So we can't able to measure the actual things which are going wrong. So here we can able to do that. So this is like bridging that gap. So we can able to understand the physics in much more clearer way, and even we can able to develop the mathematical modeling in such a robust way to bridge that gap. That's what I think. Yeah, everything is nice, satisfies the expectation.